All right, what's up, guys? It's Luke here. We had one trade today. We ended up taking a break even on ES. Here are the executions. Let me pull them up. So pretty much I noticed that market open, we probably weren't going to get a setup that we wanted after we started to chop. So I ended up just hopping on my Alpha Zeros looking for a small trade. I didn't want to go crazy. And yeah, we ended up taking the break even on this regardless. So it wouldn't have been really a big deal if we did loss. I was only risking about 400-ish give or take on this on per account, so it wasn't anything crazy. I wasn't like full porting my accounts or anything like that, so I was willing to take that trade, and yeah, it just didn't end up playing out. We got break even. So coming into the session, I was more so like neutral, higher time frame bearish, obviously, because we're respecting bearish, we're respecting this 4 hour, we're going lower, and obviously we're trending bearish, but I was willing to kind of be neutral in the short term, and I kind of just wanted to wait for conditions to get met and then kind of just go from there. Market open obviously just manipulates lower. We start trading lower, obviously don't get any continuations lower. From there, we end up forming, there was an unfilled 5-minute above, and there was a good opportunity to take a mech here. I actually kind of like this, but again, I got in the trade on ES, but first I'll go over NQ. So we had this unmitigated 5. There was this trade right here, as you could see. Let me see. So we end up getting this lower time frame SMT right here. You could see at this point, NQ was also delivering out of an 8-hour gap. We had a small 8-hour. There was this daily gap down there that I was kind of watching, but again, we were delivering off that midpoint of the weekly gap. So I was figuring price was probably going to want to make a move higher eventually at this point. So from there, we end up getting this internal SMT off the low. Again, we are delivering from that 8-hour as well. There was this mech 30-second right here. You could have easily taken this. But I understand why people would have faded it as well. It just really wasn't the cleanest. Again, and I took this on ES, but I do think this was probably one of the only trades you could have gotten today. Other than that, on NQ, I really didn't see anything. We did end up manipulating into that newly formed 15 and 30 minute. I was looking for potential shorts maybe out of that. And I was looking for this 1 minute or this 30-second inversion, but the candle just took off and I ended up just fading this one. And then that was pretty much it from there. Didn't see anything I wanted. And as you can see now, we are starting to trade higher. So basically, why did I take the trade on ES? So normally I don't trade ES, but I had the windows open both today. I've been trying this out and I seen this pop up on ES and decided to take it. So what we seen was market open obviously manipulates, gets that quick wick higher, and then we end up displacing lower from there. We come down and we end up sweeping out previous week's low. Now from previous week's low, it was the same idea of what I said on NQ. We end up getting this 2-minute inversion, and what I seen was we had low resistance liquidity right here leading towards an unmitigated 5-minute. So I was like, okay, maybe we could see this reaction off previous week's low. We could just see price trade into this 5-minute, and then maybe that continues price lower, or we break through that and we continue to trade higher. But for me, I was just looking at this as a quick mech back to that unfilled 5. So again, we came down, we swept out previous week's low. Again, NQ is delivering off a weekly gap, tapped an 8-hour. So I just decided to try this on the 2-minute. I went break even. So as you can see, we do sit and chop for a while. And now at this point, right here, 10 a.m. opens and we end up opening a new 15 now above. So now that instead of a 5, there's also a 15. So as soon as we end up taking out those highs, we end up getting this SMT right here. Or did we have an SMT? Yeah, we had this SMT right here. I end up just going break even because I'm thinking at this point, either we're going to flush through this 5-minute or we're going to get like break even. It's going to reverse on us. So I just went break even here, seeing if price wanted to flush through. And obviously we do get break even on this candle right here at 10:02. From there, didn't see anything else I wanted, so it just hopped off after that. But that was the only trade, guys. We came down, swept out previous week's low, 2-minute inversion, looking for price to hit this unfilled 5. We had low resistance leading into it. But yeah, break even. I do think the 30-second mech was pretty good, though. Again, just nothing really crazy high probability today. But yeah, I think shorts off here would have been nice, but just no opportunity. But anyway, don't want to force anything on a Monday regardless. But that's it from you guys. Let me know if you guys took any trades or you didn't take anything today. Still got a heavy news week, rest of the week, so should be good. And that's it for me. I'll talk to you guys later. Peace.